Do you guys see that fat fuck in our tree? Oh my god.
God damn, you fat ass bird.
You're fucking massive. Oh, I'm sorry. You're just huge.
You're about 3 inches wide. And you're about 6 inches long.
Look at these skinny pigeons. Look at that skinny pigeon. Look at this fat ass pigeon. Your ass can't fly, can't you?
My pussy hot. Help me. My pussy hot. Oh, yeah.
I was relieved that it was just a babby. That's when I takes closer look and realize, fat babby.
Look at this fat ass, giant, morbidly obese squirrel.
Yeah, you fat ass. I knew that. Shut your bitch ass up.